Hi, welcome to That Telugu family. Today I'm going to show you how to make masala chai the Indian way. కింద తెలుగులో సబ్ టైటిల్స్ రాశాను చూడండి. ఈ వీడియో తెలుగు రాని వాళ్ళ కోసం, ఎందుకంటే తెలుగు వాళ్ళకి టీ చేయడం వచ్చు కదండి, అందుకే మీరు చూసి ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి. Start with boiling 1/4 cup of water in a small pot. As the water starts to boil, add a 1/4 cup of milk into the pot and let it boil. If you are using plant-based milk, don't add it at this point. Instead, add it at the end. You don't want to boil plant-based milks for too long. Now add a couple of teaspoons of Indian tea powder. You can find this at any Indian stores. To this, add a tablespoon of sugar. You can add more or less depending on how sweet you like your tea. Now to the favorite ingredient, cardamom pods. Take one cardamom pod and crush it in your mortar and pestle. Don't forget to crush, because if you don't, you won't get the flavor. Now add this to the tea and let it boil for a little more. And take a small piece of ginger, either grate it or slice it and add it to the tea. Now let this mixture boil for 2 to 3 minutes. As we wait for the tea to boil, don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more of these. There, our tea is almost ready. If you are using a plant-based milk, this is when you would add that. It's time for us to pour it into our cup. Use a strainer to filter the tea as you pour it into the cup. And our yummy, strong masala chai latte is ready to enjoy. Try it and let me know how you like it. And if you want to see more videos like these, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.